Our new construction department deals with our builder clients to ensure that each and every homeowner has the opportunity for a comfortable environment to call home.
A little bit about HVAC is we touch all of the trade work, believe it or not. We have some plumbing we have to do, we have some wiring we have to do, plus we have to do the HVAC side of it. So HVAC is a very fruitful trade, and to me it is top of the food chain.
We got a new job yesterday, went in, laid everything out, and we go out the blueprint as far as where everything goes inside the house, where the fans are located, returns. We install ductwork, furnaces, heat pumps, run gas.
New construction's primary role is installing HVAC systems in the housing developments that are being built around the communities. It's the basic from start to finish. It's not just an outside unit. There's more that goes into an actual HVAC system that some people don't know about. And that's what the installers do, is put that in, and that keeps us comfortable in our house.
One of my favorite parts about the job is how versatile it can be. I can be on one side of the map one day, on the other side of the map the other day. I can be in the attic, in the crawl.
What's fun about this job to me is the teamwork that you have out there. But at the end of the day, what really stood out was you get to take a step back and look at almost a piece of art that you put together inside of a house. Because it's not, it's not A goes with B, you've got to actually figure it out and put the components together to make it correct.
To be able to look at something and have the mindset of I'm going to use the tools that are provided to me, and I'm going to sit down and I'm going to be persistent and I'm going to figure this out. That's 75 or 80% of what we do.
Most of the times there's not a whole lot of room to move up with a job. A career, you can take a career and you can build on it, and you can move up and you can build that for the rest of your life, really. I definitely think this is a career. Like I said before, I've been working here for 6 years. I started out as a helper, and they've given me the chance to do these different positions and learn and grow with the company. So it's definitely a career.